Well guys, we're in a little Ranger pulling the TTR to trade this other guy. We're just gonna say goodbye to it. I want to do burnout before, show you guys and stuff. But yeah, say goodbye to the TTR, and I'm gonna get two other utility quads. That's a Honda 350 full drive all time and a Yamaha Big Bear, and he's also adding in a whole bunch of riding gear, like 4 pairs of boots, like 5 pairs of shirts and jeans and stuff, and a lot of helmets. But yeah, see you guys later. Well guys, it got tied down better. We're going around turns and stuff, and yeah, it almost fell out. Yeah, we got tied down better at my friend's house. Got another strap. But yeah, I'll take another video. We'll be in the same video, but of the quads and the riding gear. I know it's dark, guys. Hey, Austin, you have your light on your phone? Well, it's dark. You can see them a little bit, but yeah, there you go. The Honda four tracks, and then the Yamaha Big Bear.